Hello everyone, how to Toads back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to create quiz online using AI tools. So the goal of this website LoveStudy.ai, so you can create your quiz free here, and it's a real beautiful website. Like you can create your quiz from your books, from any online topics and content and picture. Okay, so first of all, you need to enter and browser, then type the word LoveStudy.ai, then you will get the website like this. So in this website, you can create three things like AI flashcards, quiz, and notes that makes learning easy for you. And first of all, in this is free. Like you will get 15 free credits, then you can buy it. So I'm just going to create a quiz. I already created two things, and in free version you will get 15, and every creation you have to spend 2 credits. So for example, I'm just going to click here quizzes, then okay, if you have study materials, then you have to upload here. Like you can upload PDF, text, and Microsoft Word, and other format also that is supported text. And then okay, I'm just going to ChatGPT to create something. Create a story about USA USA independence. Independence. Okay, okay. So maybe this my story, because I don't have any books right now. So I am using ChatGPT to get the story for tutorial purpose only. So you can upload your image from your books, like you can capture picture from your books, and you can upload the things like in PDF version. So okay, I just got this one, and okay, copy this, then go to my PC and create a new text document, then paste it here. I already copied it from ChatGPT, then click the file and save it. Okay, that's it. Okay, I just rename this one USA independence. Okay, so now go to this one and click here. You need to click here. Like okay, if you create your account, like you can log in your account with Google, then you can save this and you can share it. If you create don't log in, then you will not share these things. So I'm just click this one and bring it here. So now there is something work. This will consume 2 credits, free credits remaining 11. So and you have to select the language. So I use English, so I just keep it. And if active, anyone can see your study quiz. So if you click here, they said login with Google, so I suggest you can log in with Google. So this time I am not, and simply click the create. So it's verifying generating your quiz. It will take a few minutes to generate your study materials, please wait. So for video purpose, I'm going to pause this video. So it's going faster. You just need to wait couple of minutes, like 1 2 minutes, 1 minute or 2 minutes, then it will be prepared for you. So it's totally free. You can do it from your materials, from your books. So you can see they created 9 question and answer, 9 quizzes. So from that story they created, and they also give the title, The Birth of a Nation, A Tale of Independence. So they suggest you, and here are some things. Explore the dramatic history of how the United States gained its independence from British rule. So they generated by EAU. And before you start, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Find a quiet environment to focus. Take your time to consider each question carefully. So I'm just going to click begin test. And here you can see what was the main reason the colonies protested against British rule. So you can see here they wanted trade, whether they wanted to. Okay, I'm just going to click. Okay, it's a mistake, it's wrong, and that's why they give you the, it's like a real-time quiz, and original text reference here, and detailed explanation, and why other options are wrong. So you can see it's really amazing. And next question, what event is known as the Boston Tea Party? Tea drinking protest tea was dumped into harbor. A meeting discussed Texas, a battle against British soldiers. So I'm going to click here. So it's wrong. So here you can see it's really nice. And I'm just going to next column. So okay, this right. And then you can see here why it's right and why others wrong. They explain all the things. So this way you can continue, you can create, and this way you can do it. Okay, I'm just log in this account and show you how to save it. So I just log in successfully, and if you log in, then you can see I got extra 30 credits. Okay, so and after that, okay, after that you can see here I'm just going next question. Revolution. Okay, next question. You can see here the result. I just randomly click. Oh my god, everything is correct. I'm randomly click here. So I'm just showing you and loading. So after that you can see like total question 9, mastery score 56, complete percentage 100%, and it's complete how it's performed. So now like you can see here quiz report, and if you try again then you can get more things. So how can you share it, right? So first of all you need to copy this URL. You need to copy this URL and go to okay, I'm just going to new and paste it here. So then you have to wait. Okay, so any your friend, anyone can do it here. So actually this way you can share this PDF to your friend or others.